On the Build Your Own Grid page in the sandbox, we're going to detach the AG Grid component to render it as an auto layout frame, so we can drop the objects on the left hand side into the frame. To render the grid as an auto layout frame, first we select the grid and we right click and choose Detach Instance. This will detach or break apart the component and render it as an auto layout frame. Now that it is an auto layout frame, we can drag objects from the left and drop them in to the auto layout frame. You will see the blue line indicates where the object will be dropped within the auto layout frame. In this case, I've dropped in the advanced filter, and you can see it right there inside the auto layout frame. It's simply just a case of selecting the objects that I don't need to turn off. So I can select the header in each column, hold down Control Shift on my keyboard so I can select multiple, and just hit delete on the keyboard. Same with the filters below, because I have dropped in the advanced filter, I don't need the individual filters. So once again, I will Control Shift and select these headers and delete them. Now that the grid is an auto layout object, we can select individual columns, and using the keyboard arrows, we can move columns. So as this is now an auto layout object, it's very easy to add new columns, for example, by selecting a single column, hitting Control D on the keyboard. You can also do the same for cells. So for a row, I can select a row, select each individual cell, and same thing, just hit Control D on my keyboard.